Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Dying declaration. Dying declaration is dealt under section 32 IEA. Dying declaration is defined as a written or oral statement by a dying person who is dying of an unlawful act relating to the circumstances of his death. Okay, if someone has tried to kill him, the statement that is given by that person is dying declaration. The role of the doctor is to declare that he is mentally sound, that is compos mentis should be declared by the doctor. Procedure of recording dying declaration. Who can record dying declaration? Dying declaration can be recorded whenever possible, whenever feasible, and the magistrate should be called upon to record the dying declaration. Dying declaration is recorded by the magistrate will have the highest evidentiary value. When a magistrate is called upon, the doctor and police can record the dying declaration. See, when the magistrate is present, magistrate can record the dying declaration. If magistrate is not present, then doctor and police can record the dying declaration. No prescribed or specific preforma is present for dying declaration. Oath is not required. If a person is in position to write, then the person can write and sign the declaration. If the person is not in position to write, then oral statement is recorded in the native language of the patient, um, and this dying declaration acts as an absolute evidence if the person giving this dying declaration dies. If the person giving this dying declaration dies, then this is absolute evidence. If the person giving dying declaration survives, then dying declaration is not accepted according to section 32I of IEA. It can be accepted according to section 157 IEA as a corroborative or comparative or supporting evidence. If the person giving dying declaration survives, then he will be asked to come to the court and give his statement directly. Dying deposition.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about